In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos and videos from your Android phone to your laptop. So let's do it. First of all, you just need a cable. Here you can see the on side connect with your mobile and another side connect on your laptop. So after connect, just swipe down from top and select this option, and here you can see file transfer Android Auto. Simply select this. Right now you just need to go on your laptop, select this PC, and here is your mobile name, and then internal storage or SD card. I select this, and here I just find the photo location and I just copy. You can transfer photos, videos in the same way. Just copy from your mobile, and right now go on your laptop drive and paste it. That's it. In this way, you can very easily transfer photos and videos from your Android phone to your PC. Thank you everyone for watching.